Alright, up here we have a 2024 AGT MH12R mini excavator. Yeah, it's very nice, very clean. It's got a bucket, and it's got a thumb, and a backfill blade, and yeah, brand new tracks. And yeah, it's teal, pretty cool color. And yeah, there's the motor in there. And so yeah, we'll start it up and show you how it works.
You want to start it, man? See if you can get it.
Yeah.
We're getting it. We fire it up, give you a quick little demo on this one here. We'll have all the, I think it's 16-inch bucket on there, probably 36 on the blade, but it'll be in the description. Oh, the power's off. Power, very crucial, off, on. Cold-blooded. What?
The blade needs lifted.
Different on the operation, but you get the hang of it pretty quick. Friday before the sales, the preview day, 9 to 4, we'll be here, answer questions. Other than that, we'll see you preview day. Thanks for watching.